Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to see step count on iPhone. So first open the fitness app in iPhone, open fitness app, turn it on, tap on continue. Now set your date of birth, your gender, height and weight and tap on continue again. And your daily move goal and tap on continue, allow notification. And then on tap on the activity ring, scroll up to see your step, distance and flight climbed. To view your data for previous day of the week, you slide your finger on the screen and tap on the calendar button. As you can see from here. And if you want to see previous, tap on this calendar button and you can watch it from here. So that's it. That's how you will see step count on iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.